I discovered the secret to unlock calisthenics skills 99% faster than other people. I unlocked the handstand in 14 days and I unlocked the tuck planche within the first 7 days. And if you think that was luck, I tried the same strategies on my clients and some unlocked their first ever handstand within 8 days. I promise you that if you watch this video till the end and apply exactly what I talk about, you will get the same exact results. So let's get right to it. Every video you watch would probably tell you before you get the skill, you must go through this progression. Once you can hold this for 5 seconds, then you're ready to do this. And next thing you know, you're spending days, weeks, or even months just trying one progression. This is what happened with me when I was trying to learn the handstand. Some of them were telling me that you have to wait 3 to 6 months to unlock the handstand. But because I was hungry and I was eager to get the handstand ASAP, I just went after that skill like a mad dog. Just kept going after it, kicking up, falling. 6 days in, I get the handstand. And this is when I discovered that secret strategy. I like to call it feel before force. Let me try to explain it to you. When you're trying to learn a skill, most of the times, it does not require as much strength as you think it does. What it does require, however, is for your nervous system to adapt to that exercise. And your nervous system, or you can think of it as your brain, the way it learns skills is by doing those skills, right? When you try to hold a handstand, you're teaching the brain how to be upside down. Without support, I'm not even talking about the wall. I'm just talking in free space. Exposure to the skill will help your brain learn it faster. It will click faster. So now you're probably asking me like, should I just go out in the open and kick up to a handstand? Well, not exactly. First of all, guys, if you have absolutely no strength, you're starting calisthenics from zero, this video may not be for you. This is for beginners, yes, but for people who have some basic strength. Now, if you didn't master calisthenics, do not worry. I have a free calisthenics program. It will help you master the basics and maybe unlock some skills within your first 30 days. So the link's down below, check it out. But the point is, you don't necessarily have to go for that skill itself, but you must go for a progression which you're at least comfortable with holding it for a few seconds. Now, some people like to call this method grease the groove, where you're just doing the same exercise throughout the day as much as you can. And yes, this is what I'm talking about actually, but it's a little different. So let's say you're going for the handstand and you're just struggling to even kick up to the wall, which is a common mistake I see in a lot of people. If you can't even kick up to the wall, the only thing you're gonna go after is learning how to kick up. You don't wanna do these other useless progressions, which is not gonna serve you to kick up to the wall. So you pick that progression which you're somewhat struggling with, you go after it, keep doing it as many times as you can throughout the day. This is one of the tips I gave to my clients to help them just kick up to the wall. I told them, listen, stop with these useless progressions, the pike holds and whatever. They already had decent strength in their shoulders. I told them, go down on your hands, stand behind a wall and just keep on kicking up. Even if you don't go high, just slow kicks until your brain and nervous system starts getting used to that movement to the point where it starts getting better at doing it. So you will start going higher. Now here's where I use a more powerful strategy, and that is simply exposing yourself to the skill. So with the handstand, at least once you're a little comfortable kicking up to the wall, you can just try to kick up in open space. Of course, you can use a mat or do it on grass, anything soft, and just kick up. Even if you fall. This is exactly what I did. I was scared to fall, trust me, but I just did it anyway because I was just fed up on being stuck on the progression. This is what helped me get it instantly. I did other stuff as well, but this is one of the main things which helped me just progress fast. Same thing with tuck planche. I was struggling to hold it, but I just tried. Sometimes you just need to go after that exercise. Stop going around it. Go after it. You're wasting your time. Most of the times what limits you is the fear of falling, the fear of not being able to hold that skill, thinking that you're just not ready. When in reality, you shouldn't wait till you're ready. You should make yourself ready. Now, here's the catch. There are probably so many other mistakes you're doing as a beginner in calisthenics, which is slowing down your progress by a lot. If you want to avoid these mistakes, fix them, and progress 10 times faster than other people, I made a step-by-step guide in this video right here, which will give you all the details you need to know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you right there. Peace.